Today's Latin phrase is in pari materia. In pari materia. It means of the same matter, or simply on the same subject. It's a doctrine in statutory construction that statutes that are in pari materia must be construed together, read together, or taken together. Pari materia means two provisions of two different statutes deal with the same subject matter and form part of the same subject matter. Let's look at some practical uses of this phrase. Section 33(1) confers powers upon the central government to make rules for the purpose of giving effect to the provisions of Chapter 4. It is in pari materia with Section 12, subsection 1. Notice it's in pari materia with. So something is in pari materia with something else. Let's look at another one. When a statute is ambiguous, its import may be determined in the light of other statutes in pari materia. Third one. The Stamp Act is in pari materia with the Registration Act, and the definition contained therein should be used for the purpose of interpreting Section 17E of the Registration Act. Another one. It has been contended that the provisions of the Customs Act 1962 are not in pari materia with the Excise Act. In another way, we can also say it's been contended that the Customs Act 1962 and the Excise Act are not in pari materia. Last one. The Evidence Act and the Prevention of Corruption Acts are statutes in pari materia. Now here I said are statutes in pari materia. You can also simply say the Evidence Act and the Prevention of Corruption Acts are in pari materia. You don't have to say statutes because these two acts are statutes. That's understood.
Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.